So hey guys, we got the official teaser of the Pixel 8 Pro with a new color option and an awesome new feature. First take a look at this teaser. You see, on current Pixel phones, we have a feature named Magic Eraser which removes unwanted things from your photos and it works pretty well. And now Google is taking the Magic Eraser to the next level by introducing an Audio Magic Eraser tool on the Pixel 8 lineup. Yes, on this official video of the Pixel 8 Pro not only shows the new color and the new rounded corners of the phone, but it also shows the Audio Magic Eraser in action. As you saw, you can remove the background noise from a video or even audio by pressing the Audio Magic Eraser button. It then offers slider for noise, people and music. You will able to drag left right to reduce the sound, which is pretty amazing. It also mentions that it's the only phone with the Audio Magic Eraser, which makes sense. Also, the new light blue color of the Pixel 8 Pro looks really good. Moving on, as per recent leak, it appears that the hardware upgrade for the upcoming Pixel 8 may not be as significant as many had hoped for. The Pixel 8's Tensor chip would be based on Samsung's Exynos SoC, specifically the Exynos 2300, which was skipped over for the Galaxy S23 series. This news may disappoint many users who were anticipating a big upgrade in terms of hardware, features and performance. In addition, the Pixel series has often focused on software enhancement and optimization rather than solely relying on hardware upgrades. As we saw in a hands-on video of the Pixel 8 Pro, Google has done something new this time with the Pixel 8 Pro by adding a thermometer scanner on the back. Based on the video, in order to use the sensor, you will need to bring the phone close to your forehead, then move it slowly to your temple. The phone provides sounds and vibration to assist with the process. Reportedly, this sensor can also be used to measure the temperature of object as well. Google is all set to launch the Pixel 8 series in October and we will get more to know about these devices. So what do you think about this Pixel 8 series? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.